How to change voice on Discord Mobile. In order to do so, you may follow up the step. Open up Discord Mobile, and then after you open it up, you should be finding this interface. Now from the given interface, head over to the U tab in the bottom right, and from here, go over to the settings option at the top right. Navigate to settings. Now from settings, you need to scroll down and go ahead and look for the option called voice. This one right here, tap on it. So before entering up this voice, you need to go ahead and download this application called Voice Mode. This soundboard, just go ahead and install it, and then once that is done, you may go ahead and select the voice changer app that you've installed and refer to the voice changer app's instructions for specific guidance. Once that is done, what you can do is simply head over to Discord and go over to voice, and then you may go ahead and adjust the input device and you can use that. After that, you may hit back and go to home base and join a voice channel and taste your voice to ensure that it has been changed correctly. So that's it for now. You may follow up this method. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.